Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I use my DIY natural hair mask using the ingredients that you see. 2 eggs, 1 ripe banana, a half a cup of yogurt, and a half a teaspoon of olive oil. Stay tuned and see how it comes out. Okay, so I'm showing you right here how dry my hair is. It's dry. I did a wash ago about 3 or 4 days ago, and it just really needs some attention. I think it needed some protein. So I did that protein mask. Again, how dry this is. Needs water and protein. My hair, no matter what the season is, it gets dry really quick. So right here you see me kind of parted. I parted it off a little bit, and I did put some water on it to wet my hair first so that it will take the mask better. And it's a little bit not as thick as I'd like it to be. As you can see, it kind of got all over the floor. All over the floor. I need one of those little squeeze bottles, but I did manage to work it in. You want to work that in, kind of rake it through with your fingers. I do not like using brushes, Denman brush or combs, really, for that matter. I'd rather use my fingers. And I'm just rubbing it in a little bit. It smells wonderful, by the way. It smells like a smoothie. I actually used Greek yogurt, vanilla Greek yogurt, because that's all I had. Any yogurt will do. So I just parted it off another section in the back and just repeating the process. Working it through, raking it through with my fingers. And I'm sorry, I make so many faces. I'm so tender-headed. And like I said, usually I would prefer for it to be a little bit thicker than that, but that's how it comes out. It's manageable. It's a little messy, but you can clean it up, right? And again, and you just have to work it through. Very important to balance protein and conditioner. I deep condition usually once or twice a week, protein once a month. And make sure you get those ends really good. That's the oldest part of your hair. I'm rubbing it in my scalp. You gotta treat your scalp well. And repeat that process again on the 4th and last section. Work it in with your fingers as usual. And you'll start to notice that the dry, brittle hair is starting to get some life. Got a little more bounce to it, and you can't hear it crackle in your finger. I hate that. I'm just working on those ends again. And last of the mask. Look like one of those. Y'all remember that Double Dare show? That's what it reminded me of. Last bit, get all that goodness in that front. The front part of my hair tends to break off a lot because I think I touch it the most. So I'm just looking at it, making sure it's all saturated, rubbing it in. The excess on my hands, just rubbing it in, kind of getting those ends again. And here comes the plastic bag, Kroger bag. Wrap it up, and just to secure it, I put a hair tie on the front, and then I wash and dry as usual. And that is it. Results: defined curls. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.